Hello JPJ Discovery followers. Let's talk something different on our video and create some questions about our daily life events. Start this video series with discussing what exactly is a tornado. Imagine a narrow, violently spinning column of air that stretches from a thunderstorm all the way down to the ground. Now, because air itself is invisible, you can't always see a tornado, unless it picks up enough dust, debris, or forms a funnel cloud made out of water droplets. But when you do spot one, it's one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring sights nature can throw at us. So where do these wild twisters show up? Honestly, almost everywhere. Tornadoes hit places like Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. Yup, even New Zealand gets about 20 tornadoes each year. But the US holds the record. About 1,200 tornadoes hit the states every year, especially in regions often called Tornado Alley, the name generated by the media. But here's the thing about Tornado Alley. It's not a fixed place. The tornado threat shifts with the seasons, moving from the southeast in cooler months, up through Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas in May and June, and then to the Midwest as summer gets going. And tornadoes have been reported in all 50 states, so don't think you're totally off the hook if you live elsewhere. When are tornadoes most likely to hit? Tornado season peaks at different times depending on where you live. Usually spring times, March, April, May until June based on statistical data, but they might happen any time during the year. The most tornadoes happen between 4 and 9 p.m. again based on data. Still, they can strike any time of day or year, so it pays to stay alert. Now, if you hear about a tornado watch, it means the weather is right for tornadoes to form, so keep an eye out and be ready to act. But if you hear a tornado warning, that means a tornado has been spotted or picked up on radar, and you need to take shelter immediately. Wondering how scientists measure a tornado's strength? They look at the damage it leaves behind. Based on the damage, they estimate the wind speed range associated with that level of damage using the EF scale. The enhanced Fujita scale rates tornadoes from EF0 to EF5, considering not just what's damaged, but how badly. Incredible in EF5. That's the real-life monster, capable of flattening pretty much everything in its path. Damage, like houses being swept away, EF5 corresponds to wind speeds of 200 miles per hour or more. And how do tornadoes form? Well, even the experts are still figuring that out. Tornadoes typically form from supercell thunderstorms, which are characterized by a rotating updraft called a mesocyclone. The rotating updraft can intensify and stretch, potentially leading to a funnel cloud that descends from the storm. If the funnel cloud makes contact with the ground, it becomes a tornado. Wind shear, the change in wind speed or direction with height, is a key factor in initiating the rotation. This horizontal rotation can be drawn into the storm's updraft, causing the updraft to rotate and form a mesocyclone, a rotating updraft within the thunderstorm. Most big tornadoes spin out of supercell thunderstorms, rotating storms that can also bring hail, floods, and lightning. Bottom line, tornadoes are rare, but when they happen, they're serious. If you are in an historically active area, monitor weather reports and warnings regularly. Know the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. Conduct regular drills at home to ensure everyone knows what to do. Stay safe, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, leave comment if you want to see similar content.